Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 2. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Here we have made a place value table. Here you see this is decimal, this is hundreds, tens, ones and this is tenths. Tenths means 1 by 10. Right? This is ones, this is tens, hundreds and decimal. Question A is 19.4. It is 19.4. Here you see, this is the decimal part and this is the whole part. The 9, the place value of 9 is ones, therefore we can write 9 in ones place. The place value of 1 is tens, therefore we write the place value here, right? And 4 is in the tenths place, therefore it is 4, right? Now question number B is 0.3, 0.3. Here you see the place value of 3. The place value of 3 is tenth. Therefore, we write the number here as 3. Right? Question number C is 10.6. 10.6. Here you see the place value of 0 is ones. We write in place of ones. And the place value of 1 is 10. Therefore, write 1 tenth. And the place value of 6 is tenth. Therefore, we write here 6. Next question number D. 205.9. 205, 205.9. Here you see that is 5 is in ones place. Therefore, write in ones place it is 5. 0 is in tens place. Write 0 is tens place. And 2 in hundreds place. In hundred place we write 2. And 9 in tens place we write 9 in tenth place. Right? This is the way you have to write the decimals in the place value chart. Again you see this is the place value chart. Here this is tenth, this is ones, this is tenths, this is ones, tens, hundreds. Right? Here is the decimal part. This is the tenth place. This is the ones place. This is the tenth place. In tens place it is 1. The place value of 9 is ones. Therefore you have to write it 1. The place value of 4 is tenth. Therefore you have to write in tenths place. Right? In this way you have to place the decimals in the place value chart. Right? Thank you everybody for watching this video.